kiss my lips and you say, put as a sign.